Attention anyone over the age of 30. Are you sick of trendy diets that make you hungrier and less satisfied? Would you like to lose weight and keep it off permanently? If so, you might find what you're looking for with the keto diet. Many studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of the keto diet, which is a low-carb, high-fat diet, in helping people lose weight. Your body enters a state of ketosis where it starts burning fat instead of carbohydrates when you eat less carbohydrates and more fat. The keto diet not only encourages weight loss, but it can also enhance your overall health, energy levels, and mental clarity. It can also be adjusted to your particular needs and tastes and is simple to follow. We'll teach you everything you need to know about the keto diet and how to make it work for you at our How to Lose Weight with the Keto Diet program. You will receive individualized meal plans, recipes, and success strategies from our knowledgeable coaches. We'll also provide you with the resources you need to maintain your drive and progress. The keto diet can assist you in losing weight, whether you're a working professional, a busy mom, or just someone who wants to feel and look better. So why are you still waiting? Join us right away to get started on the path to a healthier, happier self. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click the link in the description to get your keto plan today.